Hey guys, what's up? It's Altered Tech back again with a new video. So this is my second Black Friday purchase from OnePlus. This is the OnePlus Buds Z. It was about 10 bucks and comes with a free mystery gift. I have no idea what the mystery gift is, so that's why I'm filming this unboxing right now. So hopefully, I'm hoping it's a charger, because I'll explain a little bit, but let's see what we got. So, okay, what the heck? No way. That, no way, man. That's gotta be a pair of socks, but this is the OnePlus Buds Z. And I was hoping for a Warp wireless charger, because with the free gift I got my first purchase, to get the full 50 watts of wireless charge, you need a 65 watt charger. That means I have to unplug the charging brick and then plug it into this. Worst scenario is that this is a box of socks. I mean, it doesn't look like a box of socks, it looks like the watch. I don't think it's the watch. It looks like the watch. It could be socks, but all right, OnePlus, let's see what you guys got. Let's see what you guys got. It's not a phone. It's not a phone. What do you guys think it is? I'm excited right now, so let's see. And what is it? This is, oh, it's a water bottle. Ah, man, it's a water bottle. Let's see. I mean, for 10 bucks, you get the headphones and you get this water bottle. So I have I think I have like 2 of these so far from the OnePlus events. I mean, this is a nice water bottle. OnePlus, stainless steel, I believe. So put that to the side. And let's see what's so special about it. Some of you guys are probably laughing at me right now. Stainless steel, vacuum insulated, keeps beverages cold for up to 12 hours and hot for up to 8 hours. No microwave heating, no dishwashing, hand wash only. Please clean inside with hot water 2 to 3 times before using. Oh man, I guess you got some particles inside there. You guys might want to go ahead and clean up. Interesting, very, very interesting. You know, 10 bucks, Black Friday. You know, you can't complain. But damn, I really thought this was a watch. Anyways, guys, hope you guys are, having a great time so far. If you guys have any questions or comments, let me know. Take care. Peace.